Bitcoin is popular in the variable return category of investment assets. A few even call it the new alternative investment asset. At the same time, however, its volatility has raised eyebrows. A few prominent investors, including Warren Buffett, point towards lack of utility. Now, he is one of the most closely watched investors by the global community. On many occasions, he's talked about his love of the S&P 500 index. Bitcoin and stocks are different. Bitcoin is a digital currency in the world of blockchain, and stocks are from companies such as Microsoft and Tesla. So let's find out how both fared in the last 5 years. Well, the Bitcoin price on the 1st of January 2017 was almost $1,000 By the end of the year, it skyrocketed to almost $14,000. This was the kind of return virtually no asset can afford to match. The S&P 500 had surged over 19% during the same period. Moving on to 2018, this could be one year that may establish a limited correlation between Bitcoin and stocks. By the end of this year, Bitcoin had crashed below $4,000. Such deep negative returns proved its volatile nature. The S&P 500 index also declined more than 6% in the same time frame. For both Bitcoin and the S&P 500, 2018 was the year of losses. Decline in Bitcoin was sharper than in stocks, but since both are variable return assets, it can be said that the same downward trajectory indicates towards some correlation. 2019, 2020 and 2021 were 3 years when S&P 500 index grew strongly. Growth in 2019 was huge. Bitcoin almost doubled over the same period. 2020 and 2021, the pandemic years, were also largely good for both. After a sudden dip in the wake of COVID-19, markets rose sharply for the remainder of 2020. Bitcoin in both these years continued to exhibit wide price fluctuations. The S&P 500 index is down this year, and so are most other indices such as the Nasdaq. Bitcoin is on a losing spree as well. It has, after having started at nearly $47,000, dropped to under $30,000. So the past 5 years show that Bitcoin and the S&P 500 price trajectory was in the same direction. However, losses or gains have been sharper in the case of Bitcoin. So there is a reason it's called hyper-volatile. Bitcoin is not the only crypto asset, but its mammoth 45% share in the total market cap makes it the most closely tracked. So what do you think? You can leave a comment below, and you can share this video with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel, and you can press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel for kalkinemedia.